Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h square minus h cube is equal to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So this is cubic equation. It means that this equation has three or less than three roots, so that we need to find all the possible roots of this equation. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as in this form. This is h square minus h cubed is equals to this is our 12, and we write this 12 as in the form of 8 plus 4. We write this 12 as 8 plus 4, and further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as h square minus h cubed is equals to this is 8, we write it as 2 cubed, plus this is 4, we write it as 2 square. And now in the next step we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as h square minus h cubed minus 2 cubed minus 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we write here this is we combine first the square terms. We have h square minus 2 square, and it will be written as h square minus 2 square, and we need to take common minus sign from here, and we get the remaining values are h cubed minus 2 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we need two nice formulas here. So the first formula is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and the second formula is a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here when we apply both of these two formulas to the above equation, it will be written as in this form. So when you apply this formula here, it will becomes h minus 2 times of h plus 2 minus, we apply the cubic formula on this term, and it will be written as h minus 2 times of h square plus h into 2 plus 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that on both of these two terms we have h minus 2 be the common factor, and after taking common this value we get here h plus 2, and we multiply this minus sign on each of these values, and it will be written as minus h square minus 2h minus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write h minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write this is minus h square, and this is h minus 2h becomes here minus h, and 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from here we move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and we easily get the value of h is equals to 2. And here we need to multiply each of these terms by minus 1. So when we multiply each of these terms by minus 1, it will be written as in this form. This is h square plus h plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see here this equation will becomes quadratic equation in h variable, and here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So for this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c is equals to 2. And we state the quadratic formula as h is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it will be written as minus 1 plus minus square root of the 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So we have this is minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is equals to 1 minus 4 times 2 becomes 8, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 8 becomes minus 7, and it is divided by 2. Here you know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes iota, and we just finally write this term as minus 1 plus minus square root of 7 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is equals to the first real root is h is equals to 2, and the other two complex roots are minus 1 plus minus square root of 7 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two roots of the given equation, three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.